Hey, good afternoon. Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach here. Got a little bit of overcast, windy afternoon in eastern North Carolina, but I want to take a few minutes to do a video walkthrough on the Scout 255 LXF. Boat's dry stored up in this facility, up in the racks there. Got subwoofer, Garmin, VHF radio, Winco trim tabs, push button digital throttle and shift. Boat is equipped with autopilot. Fusion stereo is tied in here, chart plotter, sounder. Walking up to the bow, backrest, cushions are in good shape, additional speakers. Has a rod holder, cup holders up here, anchor windlass, controls. This flips open, got a cooler, turns into a table for the cockpit. Got index storage here, storage underneath here, nice high backrest, glass windshield, fiberglass hardtop, speakers in the hardtop, bolsters are in good shape, leaning post is in good shape, leaning post upholstery, slide up here. Boat has twin Yamaha 150s, roughly 205, 210 hours. It is a 50-mile-an-hour boat with that option. Handles well around the dock with the twin engines and gets up and moves. It's just me on board today, but she was 51 or so miles an hour with pretty little effort. Got live well pull-out compartment for the cooler. Rod holders on the back, another live well here, boarding ladder. It's a nice boat, well equipped, low hours, onboard battery charger, freshwater wash down. Let me show you over in the head too. I meant to do that earlier, but nice deep head, vacuum flush system. There's your onboard charger, controls, and your head unit for the Fusion stereo. Appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions about this boat or any others, you can reach me on my cell at 910-264-4818. Again, 910-264-4818. Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Look forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks.